PlayStation 5. The PS5 release date in North America, Australia, Japan, South Korea and New Zealand is November 12, 2020, which is just 2 days after the release of its next-gen rivals, the Xbox Series X and Xbox Series S. For the rest of the world, the console becomes available 1 week later on November 19th. In terms of the PS5 price, you're looking at $499.99, £449.99 AU, $749.95 for the standard version of the console, with a 4K Blu-ray disc drive. However, if that's more than you want to spend, there's also the PS5 Digital Edition, which doesn't have a disc drive, and which is available for $399.99, £359.99, AU $599.95. That's more than the launch price of the PS4 and PS4 Pro, which both came in at $399.99, but they arrived 7 and 4 years ago, respectively now, and you're getting a generational leap in hardware here for only a few hundred more. It's still expensive, don't get us wrong, but the jump in price does feel warranted for what you're getting here. Sony isn't the only console maker with new hardware on the block, you also have to consider the Xbox Series X and Xbox Series S that are available at almost exactly the same time. Priced at $499 and $299 respectively, they each have their own separate reviews, so we won't spend much time talking about them here, but be sure to check out our PS5 vs Xbox Series X breakdown for more details about how the consoles stack up. The good news is that you're also able to use external hard drives and SSDs by plugging them into the USB port, but you won't experience the same lightning-fast load times that you get from the built-in SSD and optional, and currently locked, SSD bay. While few of the launch games are really going to give the new hardware a run for its money, we can already see the potential in Sony's upgraded hardware. Load times in Marvel's Spider-Man, for example, have gone from 15 to 20 seconds on the PS4 to less than a second on the PS5, while Astro's Playroom locked into 60 frames per second at a 4K resolution and didn't let go. It's a sumptuous-looking game. In the future, some titles will be able to run at 4K resolution at 120 frames per second, and there's the potential that some less graphically intensive games could reach up to 8K 60 FPS. For now, though, we don't expect many games to hit that ambitious target. Most will drop the resolution from 4K to achieve a higher frame rate, but there's a chance some titles will be able to achieve that coveted 4K 120 FPS output down the line. A small slice of the PS5 launch library will support 120 frames per second and include Call of Duty, Black Ops Cold War, Devil May Cry V. Special Edition, Dirt 5, Rainbow Six Siege and WRC9, though you'll need HDMI 2.1 compliant TV to display the 120Hz refresh rate at higher than 1080p resolution.